how to make a Capcut template. Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can make a Capcut template. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Capcut application and tap on New Project. Now select the clip which you want to add on your template. Now you can edit your template if you want. Here are a bunch of editing tools at the bottom of the screen as you can see on this screen. Once you are okay, click on the little icon at the top right corner and tap on Save to Device. Once you export your video, here you will be appeared on this page. Now if you are a Capcut creator, then you will see this type of blue button that says Post as Template. Keep in mind that this button will be only visible if you are a Capcut creator. So if you want to post the Capcut template, just click on Post as Template, and in this easy and simple way you can make a Capcut template. So that's it. This is all for this video. I hope you guys understood how you can make a Capcut template. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.